get the oil changed in our car every 3 or 7. I don't even know what it is anymore. Maybe it's 10,000 miles in your car. We get our teeth cleaned every 6 months. Routine maintenance. We know it's important for many things. It's also important for our HVAC systems. Gary is here to tell us why. I think we forget that we need to have that routine maintenance done.
It's very important. Like you were saying, would you buy a new car and then never change the oil in it?
No.
A lot of people think that once they buy a new furnace, they're good to go for however many years, of course, until it breaks down, then it's an emergency. Regular maintenance is, that's the job of the technicians to take that emergency away from you. Whether you have it done, once a year on your furnace, once a year on your air conditioner, your plumbing visits, part of your regular maintenance, so you don't have emergencies. Your furnace will run, if you put it to an equivalent of what a car does, in a year's time, runs like 100,000 miles, okay?
That's a lot of miles.
So would you drive it that far without ever changing the oil in it?
Not a chance.
No, you want to catch those things. A lot of things can happen. You want to make sure it's safe, it's working properly, it's clean. Cleanliness right now is very important. Make sure your ductwork is in good, clean condition. Make sure that you're ready to go through wintertime, because the homes are all closed up. People go away for the winter. Well, they would like to right now.
I would really, really like to. There are lucky people that get to go away for the winter. Yes.
So you want to make sure that that stuff gets taken care of so you have peace of mind.
Well, and it does run, you mentioned the word efficient. It runs much more efficiently when it's had that preventative maintenance.
Right, like you said, everything's clean. We change the filter when we do your maintenance for you. The airflow is very important, making sure that blower doesn't have dirt buildup on it so it can move as much air through it as possible. Making sure that, the burners are clean so it's not misfiring, wasting gas and blowing that gas right outside.
Now, the thing to do, and we do this at our house, not that everybody wants to do everything the Freemans do at their house, but this is one thing you should do. You should be on that club, you should have that club program with the home comfort experts, because then it's just automatic, it's just taken care of.
Yeah, our club membership, one of the big things is you don't have to worry about it.
Right.
We call you, we get it scheduled. Well, if you want to be home, then you have to remember to be home for it, but that's not even necessary. Technicians you can trust with their house keys. If you...
or you can call my father-in-law.
You can call your father-in-law.
Tim Freeman is always willing to come over, sit at your house.
Right. So, we come over, we get it taken care of, we schedule it with you, so you don't have to worry about it. It's right in our computers, and you don't have to think twice about it.
It really is the best way to do it, because if that's one more thing to remember, you're probably not going to remember. For the same reason you have the sticker in the corner of your car that says,
change your oil.
Change your oil at this many miles, or so many cars now will beep and tell you when you get to that number, even if there's not an issue. With your oil, it just tells you when you get to that number. It's the same reason. What do we need to do if we want to get on that club agreement, that club membership?
Well, you can call 490-5100 and they can take care of it right over the phone for you if you want. If you call in, we run like an $89 tune-up special. The technicians can come out. They can even give you a little bit of a price break on your tune-up, get you signed up on the club membership. Sometimes people have humidifiers. Their filters, may have a bigger filter or a more expensive filter that we can make sure we get on that club that we have the next time we come to take care of it for you. So like I said, we're just trying to take that worry away from you, a little peace of mind.
I was just thinking too, that would be a good gift.
Yeah.
If you're a parent, I'm at that where my kids are starting to move out. If you have a child who just bought their first home, or that would be a good gift. Give them the gift of a club membership to Home Comfort Experts.
I agree.
Yes. That's what Gary should have given me. Oh, wait, I already have one.
That's right.
All you have to do is give them a call today at Home Comfort Experts. Get that maintenance scheduled. Give yourself the gift of a club membership. 260-490-5100. We'll be right back.